This is Sean here. Just wanted to see a little video of what I'm doing with on this bulkhead for you guys. So, we got stuff going on way like this. Now that line went all the way down the wall. Now we have pieces of the this concrete. This is the old Wonderwood Bridge pilings. We got all this fun stuff to tie back together. Here's the most ridiculous void I've ever had to fill. And all that. That goes back about 3 feet. That's about 4 feet. Way back in there. I haven't even seen back here. Who knows what's hanging out back there. Then we got this spot right here where someone didn't know what the heck they were doing. A little stone crowd there. And had a blowout. So that's fun. Plenty of voids. Pretty much where I'm at, moving down the wall. This will be our nice finished product. If he wants to put a product on the end to make it look even prettier, cool. This was a 120 bag-ish pour. That was fun. This corner was completely gone. And I'm gonna be redoing all this right here. And then building some nice steps down so no one dies while they're trying to get in their kayaks. Well, as you can see, Dane, this is what I've been doing.